Okay, we're going to be using the Cuttlebug, and hopefully you can see that. It's new in the box, cut and embosser in the wooden frame. Taking it out of the box here. Okay, first thing you do is use your cutter. Put it side up. We're using brown foam. Put it on top of it. Put your other plate on top. Have enough space to roll it through. My desk is kind of crowded. Okay. Then the frame will be cut out. You got your frame. Then you use the embosser. You put it inside the embosser. You line it up. Put it on. Put your plate over. Feed it through. And then you have an embossed wooden frame. Cool, huh?